Let me show you how I bedazzle this cocoa butter jelly stick Vaseline dupe. Of course, you're going to need your jelly stick. I got this from Dollar Tree, $1.25. I'm using AB Clear Rhinestones. I'm using liquid fusion glue, and I'm going to put it inside a precision tip bottle. And I'm going to use a wax pencil to pick up my rhinestones. First, you're going to need to sand, of course. And I just did a light sanding because of the logo. I wanted it to kind of show. And then wipe with alcohol. I'm going to start off by doing my first line. I'm using a size 5M rhinestones. I'm doing the honeycomb method. And the honeycomb method, if you do not know, is placing one rhinestone in between every 2 rhinestones to make a honeycomb-like pattern. And that's what I'm doing here. That first line is considered your foundation line. You want that line to be as straight as possible, so you may see me adjusting that line here and there to make sure all the rhinestones are straight, so when they go down, everything is uniform and perfect. Even though I'm aiming for perfection, it doesn't mean that it is going to be perfect, and that's totally fine. This is Dollar Tree. I'm doing this to teach you guys to turn something out of nothing, okay? $1.25, it's a dupe. It works just as good as the real thing. So I'm going ahead and doing a foundation line all the way around, and I'm just doing a honeycomb method. Here's my little pyramid Christmas tree. I love throwing that in there. It just makes me happy to see like a little Christmas tree inside of your honeycomb method. And this is how I did the top. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the actual top of the Vaseline jelly. And I'm just going to go in a circular motion here. I decided to do the AB Crystal Rhinestones with the coating just to see how it looks with different like fonts and logos and how much it shows. I think I'm going to go back to the clear rhinestones for my next project if I do something again from Dollar Tree. But I do want to make this budget friendly. I know that getting rhinestones it can be pricey if you go buy all the different colors. So I'm just showing you how you can do different crafts without breaking the bank, okay? You can buy 1 pack of rhinestones that I sell in my shop, which is 25% off, only $3 a bag. And you could create this beautiful thing and sit it on your vanity mirror. I'm actually considering getting a vanity mirror because my other one is kind of broken, the lights, and there's not like a replacement for it. And I might actually bedazzle it. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. But moving right along, we're doing our honeycomb method on the next section. I like to do things in sections. I do take breaks in between bedazzling just to allow the glue for the first section to dry, just in case I have to hold it to do the bottom. So remember to take a break, maybe 15 minutes. But here, I'm just using the size 5M rhinestone. I am doing a honeycomb method. You can't really see here, but be careful when you are bedazzling because it is easy to miss a rhinestone using clear rhinestones. And even with black too, those are really tricky rhinestones. So yeah, I'm just doing the honeycomb method, going all the way down. And then as I get to the bottom, I say, you know what? Let me turn it upside down, get a better angle, do the same thing. Perfect. But I did notice that space between the bottom and like the middle part, it was just too spacey for me. So I did use a few filler stones. I think it was like 2M and 3M. You don't have to if you don't want to, if you just want to make this budget friendly. But I did just to make it look seamless. And you'll see at the end how it turns out. But going right along, and this is how it turned out. I like it. I actually like that it's extra. Let me know what you think in the comments. What I should bedazzle next, if it's the vanity mirror. But thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more bedazzle content.